Outback Steakhouse, the official chain restaurant of Timmy Lemma Productions channel. Southwest Airlines, the official airline of Timmy Lemma Productions channel. And by McDonald's, the official fast food of Timmy Lemma Productions channel. McDonald's, I'm loving it! Hello again, everybody. This is Timmy Lemma here once again. As you can tell, this is right now the local time is 11:26 a.m. Singular weather. Right now it is cloudy and 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Rain starting in 26 minutes. As you can see, it's very cloudy, very humid. The rain is getting closer to my valley. If the rain is in the forecast, we're the National Weather Service. We had the wet. It is wet. 100 days of is over. It is cloudy and rain in December of it is as you can not as good morning. As you can see, it is very cloudy. It's rain. Look at the weather. You can see that you can't see the trees. The trees are covered by the clouds. But anyway, I'll update you on the weather. It's sunny in the forecast. So that's it for now. The weather. Let's see the zoom lens. There's a cloudy. Let's see the zoom lens. Don't want to focus. That's it for now.